Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file a UK tax return. First, you need to determine if you are required to complete a self-assessment. This usually applies to self-employed individuals, those with significant untaxed income or specific capital gains. Next, gather all your financial documents, including P60s, P45s, bank statements, and records of any other income or expenses. Understanding what income is taxable and what expenses are allowable is crucial for an accurate return. If you're new to self-assessment, your first step is to register with HMRC. This process can take a few weeks, so start early. Once registered, meticulously collect all your income details. This includes earnings from employment, self-employment, property rentals, and investments. Don't forget to compile records of all allowable expenses, such as business costs or professional subscriptions, as these can reduce your tax bill. Now it's time to complete your tax return. You can do this using HMRC official online service, which is straightforward and guides you through each section. Alternatively, you might use approved commercial software. Carefully enter all your income, expenses, and any capital gains. Accuracy is key here. Double-check every figure to prevent mistakes that could lead to penalties or an incorrect tax calculation. Take your time to ensure everything is correct. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline, which is typically January 31st for online submissions. Make sure to pay any tax you owe by the same date to avoid interest and potential late payment charges. HMRC offers various payment methods, so choose the one that suits you best. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Filing on time ensures a smooth process and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.